Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a VPN on your smart TV in a simple way, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Subscribe to a VPN service that supports smart TV such as ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or CyberGhost. Step 2. Check your smart TV's app store to see if your VPN provider offers a dedicated app for your TV model. Step 3. If available, download and install the VPN app directly from your smart TV's app store. Step 4. Open the VPN app on your smart TV and log in using the username and password from your subscription. Step 5. Browse the list of available VPN servers and select a location you want to connect to. Step 6. Tap Connect to establish a secure VPN connection on your smart TV. Step 7. If your smart TV does not support VPN apps, you can install the VPN on your home router to protect all devices on your network. Step 8. Access your router's admin panel using a web browser, enter your VPN credentials in the router's VPN settings, and connect. Once configured, your smart TV will automatically use the VPN connection whenever it accesses the internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.